Dear students, now look at paragraph number 7 and 8. Here, Russell is commenting on the evil aspect of science and machinery. Being an enlightened thinker, he appreciates science and machinery because they have given rise to a new culture, which is universal in quality, and as the lifestyle of the whole world is conditioned by the modern inventions of science and technology. But the author laments that these two new elements of new culture, means science and machinery, are being forced upon older cultures. By nature, they prove cruelly more powerful. They have a tendency to destroy not only what is bad but also what is good and valuable in the cultures of the past. The greatest tragedy of science and technology is the slaying of the beauteous nature by an ugly machine. The result is that, due to the decay of the older values of life, man has become selfish, materialistic, and parochial. So, Russell admonishes the nations of the East against the harms and perils of misuses of science. He says that mechanization itself is not limit, and its sole purpose should be nothing except enhancing human happiness and minimizing their sufferings and creating a sound atmosphere for living. Lord Russell condemns the undue importance and usage of scientific inventions that are likely to make life dull and colorless. He also believes that science without conscience is the death of the soul. Russell, criticizing science and technology as cruel, powerful elements of modern science, he supports culture. According to him, culture is suggesting ways and means to make modern life more pleasant and enjoyable. He advises that if we want our life to remain tolerable, we should not allow science and technology to dominate over all the departments of our life. According to him, poetry, music, art, love, and simple joys of life were the important elements of our older culture. We must preserve them in our modern life at every cost, because because without them our life is dull, dark, and intolerable. The author believes that the purpose of human existence is not just ease but to kindle a light of joy